Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the topic currencies. In this basically we have discussed lots of things basically. In this we are discussing that in this basically currently we are talking about one topic that is idea and that is connecting to this idea that is this this railway track basically. One person told that yeah, how basically the railway track is running basically. In previous video basically we saw each and everything basically that 120 planets, 111 planets, then 120 planets, then we saw that also that uh, how basically the things basically are getting connected, how the Mumbai city basically is handling the peoples basically for preparing for the peoples. That is basically 20 lakh people basically are connected with the Mumbai train basically incidents. Not incidents basically. Mumbai train track basically. So like this, he told that basically 120 planets basically are created, and we are basically creating one basically. Like this, doctors basically are telling that we have created this city basically to generate this energy basically. So we have done lots of investment. We have done around 90 lakh crore investment basically. Yeah. Sorry, 90,000 crore investment. So 90,000 crore basically it's not a small amount basically. So 90,000 crore basically is the amount, right? That is the amount basically which is invested basically. So that basically railway department basically that city only basically can create by whom? By the countries, by the government. And government basically directly basically can't create it. Without World Bank support basically they can't create it. So World Bank has invested around 90 lakh crore, sorry 90,000 crore as an investment. That also basically you can say. So like this also basically you can say. So 90,000 crore. So it's not a big, it's not a small amount, right? In city basically we created around 20,000 buildings, 20,000, 2,000 shopping malls, then 3,000 roads, then 35 lakes, then lots of things basically. Then hotels, restaurants, companies basically are there. Software companies are there. Normal companies are there. So it's a huge investment basically. That basically we have created for creation of the energy which is going to control the train data. That is the people basically. That is the 20 lakh people basically who are going to generate the train energy data basically, and which data basically is going to uh, control the power supply and going to control the 120 planets basically. So he told that basically, specially basically for first they will control from the Earth planet, then basically they are going to send the data uh, to the sky basically. That is the universe basically. Then only basically can first they have to test here basically, right? Otherwise basically how they will do this basically. So first they have to check here basically. Then only basically they can do this. So like this things basically are. Like this basically things are basically getting controlled. That are basically the 120 planets are basically getting created, is getting created, are basically getting created. So like this 120 planets basically are getting created, right? And that is created also on the base of this 20 lakh people basically. And 20 lakh people basically are getting data from where? They are getting data from where? That is that city basically. 90,000 crore rupees basically has been sent here basically. So for one city sorry, for one area basically, they have spent $90,000 basically, Mumbai city. So how many basically data basically are there in Mumbai city? Then one person told that yeah, buildings are there. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically. Vehicles basically are running. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically. Then Mumbai city is basically having the sea basically, near sea, the water need to control. Yes, yeah, basically. Then basically the human souls basically like Sholay movie, human souls is there. Like this basically 1 lakh, 1 lakh movies are created. So for 1 lakh movie, at least basically 1 crore human souls basically might be created. That basically you have to control. So it's a huge investment here basically. If 1 crore, 1 crore human souls basically are in the environment, for that also you need the physical places, na basically. For example, that building basically, that few buildings basically you can see. Yeah, I can see that building. That buildings basically are controlling the Sholay movie human souls. That building you can see, it is controlling the holiday movie human souls. So like these buildings are created basically. The movie basically people basically they don't know basically that this everything is created basically. The construction industry basically groups knows that basically that few buildings basically which is standing na, that is basically created for the handling of Sholay human souls basically. Sholay human souls basically 1 crore human souls basically are in the environment basically. Yeah. How they are going to get the data basically? And the reason each and every buildings are connected with the satellites. They are sending the data basically. It's not like that they are not sending the data. They are sending the data for Sholay human souls basically. So it's not a basically small task basically you can say. It's a huge basically task. So Bollywood industry basically might be thinking, lots of people might be thinking यार ये तो क्या है Bollywood industry तो क्या है, nothing else basically. They are just doing dance, this, that, few dialogues basically they are telling. That's all basically. But just see the basically the each and every entire picture basically. Sholay movie basically has on the to handle the Sholay movie human souls, the few buildings are created. Yeah. After the for example 1 lakh human souls basically keeps on creating. This basically keeps on creating. The human souls basically are, if for example 1 lakh human souls is already generated, which is allocated to the mother's body, then again 1 lakh human souls reproduction happens. Like this basically keeps on doing the production basically. So it's very dangerous here basically. So one person told that basically you want to say that basically 1 lakh human souls which is basically in the environment, that is basically handled by this whole build, this basically standing buildings basically, these few buildings basically which are standing in the Mumbai. Then he told that yes basically, yeah. Then very dangerous thing basically it's. That means you want to say the Sholay movie and human souls basically has converted into birth, and they basically go on become the child. Like this child are also basically handled by that buildings basically. Then it will yes here basically. So very dangerous. So basically, what Sholay movie is creating here? Which type of energy it is creating? In this basically, he is telling that basically train energy are also basically getting handled. So it's from one movie basically. If you see the little long term income basically, it's more than 90,000 crore. 90,000 crore. So like this basically 1 lakh movies basically are there. So that 111 and 120 planets basically was created for train. So that's a huge investment basically. So railway department basically told that yeah basically we are basically rich people basically. Railway department basically told that basically we are rich people. We have 120 planets basically, which are basically supporting us, and they are basically getting controlled by the satellites. And satellites basically